Okay guys, I should be able to record as long as I want right now. So, okay, we're gonna record this. So this is the last part to this video. This is gonna be the rest of the fireworks. There's a lot of stuff going on in the other places.
There was just a mosquito on me. There was a mosquito.
Yeah, we have to get these fireworks going so we can get rid of those mosquitoes.
How long can you record this?
As long as I want.
Okay. So is this going to be the only part you upload?
No, I'm gonna upload all three.
This is going to be the longest one, right?
Yep. Probably gonna be an hour.
Yeah, I can. This is only how much space it can take up. So I can record for that long. But I'm only going to record for like 30 minutes.
I think we're out of gas here.
That one not working?
Out of gas.
What?
We're
Out of gas?
Well, guys, that's it for the fireworks for now.
Are you just going to pause the video?
So, bye.
Pause the video.
No, I'm not going to pause the video.
Alright, you guys gotta come down with me.
Goodbye.